this video, we will be replacing the proof of fire switch or the low limit switch on your ComfortBilt HP21. As always, remember to unplug your unit before performing any service work. So here's your proof of fire switch. On this model, there are two of them, side by side. Only one has wires. I guess this is an extra one. This tells the motherboard or the control board that the stove has reached its proper temperature when it's starting up, which takes the control board out of startup mode, bypasses the shutdown timer, and allows the unit to run. This switch right here comes on at, I believe, 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and when you shut down the stove, it will roll out at approximately 95 degrees. Once that has happened and it's lowered to the 95 degree mark, the switch will open, which tells the unit to shut off. There's no hole behind them, so they don't need to be removed as to clean this surface, because it's measuring the temperature of the metal itself. If you ever run into a problem where your stove is shutting down approximately 15 minutes every time you start it up, it's most likely this switch right here, in which case you can just take your wires off of the switch and place them on the second switch, which is right next to it. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.